Hello guys, so today I have here my JBL REFLECT FLOW wireless earbuds, which I really like, but they are working a little bit different because they don't have any wires. So people that are new to these earbuds may have a little bit difficulty of how to use these correctly. So let me show you here today how I do this in this little beginner's guide to show you everything that you should know, and if you're having trouble, then I'm going to give you a couple of troubleshooting tips here. So we start out by just turning them on, and you do this by just simply taking them out of the charging cradle, and then you should see an LED turning on here. But in this case, as you can see, there's no LED lighting up, so you push the button for about 2 seconds and then they should start up. So in this case you see this did not help, so we're going to try to charge the battery of the earbud by just putting it back into the cradle. But you also need to make sure that the battery of the cradle is actually charged. So and you can see this by looking at these little LEDs here on the back side just underneath the charging port. And as you can see here, the cradle is actually empty too. So we need to first charge the battery of the cradle and then also charge the batteries of the earbuds. So I'm just going to plug this in here and it will start charging. So in case you need more information about charging, then check out the video here in the upper right corner. So here now you can see the batteries of the earbuds are being charged because these LEDs here are lighting up in red. Okay, so now these have charged for quite some time, so more than 15 minutes, which should give us plenty of time to record this video here. So now you see here they are still charging, but the batteries in the earbuds are going to be full enough. So in case you need more info about charging, then I suggest you check out my video here in the upper right corner where I go into the charging topic in detail. So but now let's continue. So now we're going into the using section here. So now we want to start pairing these. And so what you see here is these are now, the right earbud is the one that's going to pair with your smartphone. And here you see this is blinking blue and red. That means it's going into this pairing mode. And if I switch here to my phone, I'm going here into the Bluetooth menu and you see here Reflect Flow on the very bottom. So I'm going to connect to this. Okay, so now we are readily connected. Everything is good. So now in case your earbuds did not go into this Bluetooth pairing mode, what you can do is you power them off. So you power off the earbuds by pressing the button of the right earbud here for 5 seconds, and that will shut it down. So see, it's blinking and now all the lights are off. So now I'm turning it back on, and normally you just have to push it for 2 seconds for the earbud to come back on. But if you press it for a longer time, let's say for 5 or 8 seconds, then this will force this earbud into the pairing mode. See how this is blinking now? So now this is in pairing mode again, and you can successfully connect this to your smartphone. Also more info about that in this video, in the next video here in the upper right corner, so check that out too. Okay, so now we're going to the controls of the earbuds while you're listening to music. So we're starting out with the left earpiece here. So the button on the left earpiece, when you press this one twice in rapid succession, then this is going to switch to the next track. So here, pressing twice and we're changing tracks, right? So now if you press the button only once, then this is going to change the what they call the ambient awareness level. So there is actually a way that the outside noise is funneled into the earpiece here, into the earbuds, so that you can actually hear what's going on outside or around you, because these earbuds are just really sealing off your ears really well, so you normally can't really hear anything that's going on around you. But if you turn on this ambient awareness feature, then you can actually hear cars or people coming up. Okay, so that's the ambient awareness level is with one button press. You change that with one button press, and you skip to the next track with 2 button presses. So now the right earpiece, when you press the button here once, then you're going to start and stop playing the music. See, I'm going to press it once, music starts. I press it again, now the music pauses. Now, if you are pressing the button twice, then this is going to start Siri or Google Assist or Bixby, depending on what smartphone you're using. Okay, so now if you are in a phone call, if you have an incoming call, then you can press this button once and then you're going to accept the call. And when you want to hang up, then you're going to press the button once again. And if you want to mute your microphone during the phone call, then you can just press and hold the button for 2 seconds. And if you want to unmute, then you press and hold for 2 seconds again, and then the microphone is enabled again. But in case your left earbud does not work at all, then there is something wrong. And I actually have a different video that exactly shows you how to fix this problem. It would be a little bit too much for this video, but check out the video here in the upper right corner that shows you exactly how to do this. Yeah, okay, so this is already it here, the beginner's guide for the JBL Reflect Flow earbuds. I hope you liked this video, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds. And if you liked this video, then give me a thumbs up, and if you have any more questions, then leave a comment below.